I'm Linda Facci Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make birdseed pine cones. This is a fun craft to do with the kids. So this is what we're going to make, and you can hang this outside on a branch for your fine feathered friends to nibble on. So you want to make an edible glue. You want to make sure it's safe for the birds to eat. Now you can use just plain peanut butter, smear the pine cone with peanut butter, or you can make a mixture of corn syrup. Let's see. I don't measure anything. I just kind of wing it. Corn syrup. How about some molasses? All these sticky things. Let's add a little peanut butter. Okay. A little peanut butter. And how about a little flour to thicken it up? You don't want it too thin. You don't want the bird seed to fall off. A little bit of flour. Let's mix that up. You might need to add a little bit of water to that. Maybe not. Just want to make this thick enough. So now you need to prep your pine cone. So get some cord. I happen to have some fancy gold cord here. And wrap it around your pine cone a couple of times. Tie a knot. Okay, this is what you're going to hang. And then you'll tie that around a branch. So I think the easiest way to do this, I mean, you can maybe smear this on with a knife or spatula, or you can dip it into the concoction. So dip that in there. This is going to be messy, but so what? The birds are worth it. All right, so let's see. Just get it all over that pine cone. All right, let's just say we have it all over that pine cone. Now you're just going to sprinkle your birdseed right on top. Get it in there. And the birds are going to so enjoy this, and you're going to enjoy watching the birds eat the seed off the pine cone. Let's see. And there you go. That's how you make edible glue pine cone bird feeders. This is Linda Facci Designs. Bye-bye.